Welcome dear to How To channel, myself Kiran Sharma. In this video I will show you how to design Rakhi in Microsoft Word. You may not be able to get Rakhi this Raksha Bandhan or you are unable to send it across to your brother. So you can design the Rakhi in Microsoft Word and send it to your brother. So if you want to know, then stay tuned till the end of the video. So let's begin. First select insert from the menu tab. Under insert you will find illustrations which has the shapes option. So let's select this drop down arrow. From this list select donut from the basic shapes. Press the shift key to get a perfect circle. Then place it at the center so that you can design it properly. Now from this style let's select green as per the design of this Rakhi. Now you need another donut, so again select insert, menu tab, from insert select shapes from illustrations group. Now since you have used this donut from the basic shape, it is displayed in the recently used shapes. You can select from here. So select using the pressing the shift key to get, again I repeat, perfect circle according to the design. This purple shade needs to be selected, so let's select this purple. After creating this object or this shape, let's create another donut of a bit smaller size. Press the shift key to get a perfect circle. Now this fits over here. Just see the dimension so that it fits over here. So it's okay. Let's keep it over here separately. Then the color as per the design is this orange. So let's select this. Now if you see the design again, now this shape has to be created. So go to the, again select insert, from illustrations shapes option, and then select the sun option. Just drag and drop. It's not actually drag and drop. You hold the mouse button and then release it, the left mouse button. So just again I just forgot to tell you, let's delete it. Even I missed it out. Select it, press the left button with the shift key pressed, and then drag it and then release the button. The shape over here as per the design which we are creating is this purple. So let's select this purple. Let's see if it's fitting on it. Press the shift key and change the dimensions. Now as per the design, green, purple, orange, and then this sun. So follow this purple, place it, then this orange. You can use the arrow keys also to move the shape, and then place the star on it. Okay, let's make it a bit smaller, the sun, so that it's placed on the orange. Now it's okay. Now for the strap, select insert menu tab. From insert menu tab, select shapes from the illustrations group. Over here you will find stars and banners category. From here select the wave shape. Mouse pointer changes to a crosshair. Press the left mouse button, drag it and release it when you find it to be of a suitable length. Then apply this style. Now place it over here. Now what is this? It is showing above the Rakhi. So what you need to do is go to this option in arrange. Under format menu you will see a group arrange. From here select this drop down and select send to back. This will go to back. Now your Rakhi is complete. Save it and send it to your loving brother on this Raksha Bandhan. Now if you find this video worth watching, then share it with your friends, give a like, and if you haven't subscribed the channel, subscribe the channel. Press the bell icon to receive the notifications of upcoming video. Happy Raksha Bandhan. Stay safe. Bye bye.